Hey bestie, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can travel to Tanzania for free. This is something you're interested in. Keep on watching all the way till the end. By the way, I'm talking about a fully funded conference. They'll pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of that conference. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So if you're new here, please introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your incredible love and your massive support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. God bless you real good. And while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. Don't worry, I'm going to share the link as well. Yes, how you can actually apply for this Tanzanian opportunity. So let me introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me like, oh no, not on this channel. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, have you heard of the DLL conference in Zanzibar? Yeah. So guys, this is a fully funded conference, like I said, and I've been compiling a list of conferences and youth summits this year, which are fully funded. So make sure that you check out my previous videos. This program covers airfare, meals, accommodation, visa support, and conference access. So guys, they would also send you a letter that you will take to the embassy to secure your visa. And on this channel, you're going to explore a world of conferences, dynamic conferences and summits that are happening all year round. They are actually open to all nationalities. There are no requirements for IELTS tests and all of that stuff. Now, this summit is taking place in Tanzania. Yes, so you have, very limited. So guys, it is actually closing soon. So make sure that you share this video with friends. So make sure that you share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. There are more upcoming conferences that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. They believe that in a world where artificial intelligence and innovation are transforming every aspect of life, from global industries to grassroots communities, the need for agile and people who are tech savvy and the need driven youth. And in today's world, they believe that leaders must go beyond ambition. I mean, they believe that you have to be equipped with a versatile blend of technological fluency, entrepreneurial mindset, critical life skills, and of course the confidence to lead with purpose. This conference is a bold response to the global need, and it is hosted, like I said, in Tanzania. So go ahead and apply right away. This is a flagship program, and it includes a group of diverse people from emerging change makers in the world to explore future-focused leadership, ethical applications of technology, and entrepreneurial innovation. So if this is something that you are interested in, you have a lot to also contribute in terms of their project for the year. So if you want to be part of this year's event, head over to the details. Yes, head over to the link in my description. You have all the basic information and submission. You know how to apply for your visa. It's pretty easy. I believe Tanzanian visa shouldn't be very serious. So you need to also note that here are some of the benefits for individuals. Future-ready leadership skills, develop that mindset and the practical tools to lead in a world that is shaped by technology. Yes, uncertainty and of course global change. You also need to have entrepreneurial knowledge for real-world impact. And you can also learn how to turn ideas into scalable and purpose-driven ventures with a startup mindset and practical framework. So you can also get powerful communication and visibility, and also build your public speaking confidence, as well as your storytelling skills and a personal brand that resonates across audiences. You can also, get global connections and cross-cultural collaborations. You can also get to engage with a network of young leaders from around the globe, and you can exchange perspectives and build lasting partnerships. This can also help you with your career advancement, just in case you require a certification that enhances your professional credentials and opens up new career opportunities in leadership and management roles. Guys, practical application. You can also apply the knowledge that you get through real-world case studies, through projects and simulations, and also ensure that you are prepared to tackle challenges with confidence. The eligibility is this. The age requirement is from 18 and above. Yeah, it is ideal for students, it's ideal for professionals, entrepreneurs, and people who are passionate about being impactful leaders with technology. Yes, it's also for individuals that are working in social development and technology related jobs. No IELTS, no TOEFL, no test of English, although you just need to be able to speak English language for comprehension purposes. So you can also go on their website and check out their past conferences. I've been compiling a list of conferences, fully funded conferences. I promised you guys, those of you that are returning subscribers here, I promised you guys that I will be sharing with you fully funded conferences like this one. So check out my previous videos. I shared a fully funded conference that is happening in Australia. Another one is happening in the United States. Another one is happening in South Africa. If you missed it, please check out my previous videos and apply for these opportunities right before their deadline. Also do well to share. They'll give you a letter for invitation, your visa invitation. They will give you a supporting letter that you will take along with you to secure your visa if you're not getting visa on arrival, depending on what country you are applying from. So guys, please ensure that you submit before the deadline, submit your application before the deadline, and begin to work on the on the visa process. Like I said, they are willing to send you a letter, a supporting letter or documentation that you would take to the embassy to get their own visa. So if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. But as always, I've done all the homework for you. You have the link in my description, and yes, do not hesitate to let me know if you need me to do a research alert to your specification. And if you have not introduced yourself, yes, please go ahead and do that right now. I am rooting for you. I can't wait to hear from you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Sent it to you. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much to you guys. You guys are always sharing out my videos. God bless you, real good. Thank you. Please do also share this video. Click on the like button. Click on the subscribe button first and foremost. That's the step. Click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. Turn on all so that you get notified every single time that I publish a new video on this channel. And then click on the share button. Share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, yes, now I am taking consultations. Before now I wasn't really taking consultation, but now it is open to you guys. But first, you have to be a member of my Patreon community. So you have to join my Patreon community as a member or join my channel membership. Yes, there is a join button right next to the subscribe button. If you want to become a part of my inner caucus, my people, my community members, if you want to become a community member, oh yeah, go ahead and use the join button and become a community member of Chassis. Yes, sir. And that is about it, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Let's take this video to 100,000 views. Anything is possible. Oh, okay, I'm counting on you guys. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take it, guys, and bye for now. Love you.